Assalamualaikum sir. Nama saya Waniza Afham bin Marzuki Rashidi, nombor Matric B082010 216. Bersama rakan sekumpulan saya Haziq Azwan bin Jamaludin, nombor Matric B082010 253. Kami akan membentangkan projek untuk teknologi Data Acquisition and Analysis dan Lab 1 yang bertajuk Temperature Monitoring Using Wired Interface. In Lab 1, Part 1, we are using a digital input and output. First, we connect an LED to microcontroller and write a simple program to turn LED on first and off for 1 second. The LED anode and Arduino digital pin must be connected with a 220 ohm resistor. So the result is the LED will turn on and off, and then the LED next to it will turn on and off again. And this is the programming we use for the question part 1. For part 2, we are using pulse width modulation output. First, we connect an LED to the microcontroller digital pulse width module pin. The LED anode and Arduino digital pin must be connected with a 220 ohm resistor. The result we only use one LED for this part. For part 3, we are now using analog input as a potentiometer. First, we construct a circuit that reads a potentiometer using microcontroller analog input and display the voltage reading using a multimeter. Okay, just now, this is the code for part 2 with PWM. Okay, and just now, this is the code for part 3. We are using the potentiometer. Next, we are now going to DHT. This sensor will read the Celsius and the moisture in the air. This is the code that we are using for the DHT sensor. Okay. Next, I will pass.
Okay, thank you, Izzat. Now I will show for part 3 LM35. Okay, this is the coding. We use shall begin, and then we float the Celsius result for analytic, that 500 divided by 255 and divide by 10, and this is the result. Okay. Okay, this is showing the result of the Celsius. If we burn the, we give the heat for the LM35. This is, we apply heat on the LM35 and we got the result. Okay, and then I will show for part 4. Okay, for part 4, we need to build a working block diagram using LabVIEW, using the same potentiometer and LED with the same table. So this is the result, but first I want to show you the coding. Okay, this is the coding for part 4. It's just the same, and this is the result for part 4. Okay, we're using COM3 to sync with the LabVIEW, and the LED will turn on when the volt is greater or less than 4 volt. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.